The Government of India's One State, One RRB initiative aims to merge all regional rural banks or RRBs within a state into a single stronger entity, and now that vision is moving into its final stage. NABARD chairman Saji Kevi has just announced that the IT integration of these newly merged banks will be completed by 15 September 2025. From 1st May 2025, the government officially implemented the One State, One RRB policy, bringing multiple RRBs in each state together to improve efficiency, scale, and cost effectiveness. Today, India has 28 RRBs spread across 26 states and 2 union territories, with over 22,000 branches serving 700 districts. Saji Kevi revealed at the CII event that the state level mergers are complete. The last step, which is IT integration, will be finished by mid-September. NABARD is also developing a common digital infrastructure for all RRBs, launching credit platforms and integrating government data systems to reach every rural household. But it's not without challenges. Low internet bandwidth and limited digital literacy in rural areas remain major obstacles. NABARD is partnering with multiple organizations to bridge these gaps. They are digitizing agriculture value chains with 20 already digitized and including more farmers, even those without land records. NABARD is also piloting blockchain-based crop traceability and expanding the business correspondent network for deeper rural penetration. The government is building AgriStack, Fisheries Stack, and Cooperative Stack. The Cooperative Stack will integrate rural schemes through primary agricultural credit societies, creating one unified delivery system for benefits. About 70,000 cooperative societies are already digitized. NABARD is supporting pilots with NGOs and fintechs to push financial inclusion. But here is a reality check. Two-thirds of India's population lives in rural areas, yet they contribute only one-third of the national income. NABARD's mission, equitable growth and transforming farmers into agribusiness entrepreneurs. To accelerate innovation, NABARD is setting up sandbox environment to share anonymized data with fintechs. By September 15th, we could see a fully integrated tech-enabled RRB system, efficient, unified, and better equipped to serve the rural India. If executed well, this could be a turning point for financial inclusion and rural prosperity. Do you believe one state, one RRB can truly bridge India's rural urban divide? Share your thoughts in the comments below.